Hi, what's up everyone? In this video, I'll be showing you how to send form data, how to collect form input from your client or users without any PHP backend. Yeah, without no backend at all. All you just need is just your HTML file. So let's get into the code. So we are going to have the HTML5. I'm using HTML5 boilerplate code. Then let's have our form input here. So let's clear this. For better reference, let's remove this. So this is the form basically. Control A, Alt Shift F. That's basically to format things. Then Control F5 to run this without no debugging. So we already have this thing working. You can have your name here. Okay, first name, last name. Okay, then you have your email here. Okay, at gmail.com. I use the Zoom, anyone. So you can see it's working. The submit is not meant to perform any functionality. So let's reload that. So now for us to get those data, let's use form.io. So this is basically fabform.io. This is just basically everything. Yeah. So you can just click on get started now and you can sign up. It's totally free. And you can use your email to verify it. I've done that. Or Control Shift T to get that back. Okay, because that's the email I'll be using. So let's click on create form. Let's give it testing. Let's save the form. Okay, let's click on testing to enter. Let's first of all go to settings. Basically, in under these settings, your target email. Your target email is basically email you want to send these details to. I want to send it to my email for sure, and that's one. You can also use email you didn't set up for. You don't use to log into it. I want to send it to my personal email, which is samodukoya14@gmail.com. It's not my business email, but let's keep it that way. So let's click on send email notification. And do we need any template? Nope, we don't need any template. Thanks for submitting the form. Do we need this? Nope, because we are going to be redirecting them. So let's click on HTTP, HTTPS, then this, then let's redirect them to google.com once the form is submitted finished. You don't need captcha, yeah, for sure. But you can also add captcha too. But yeah, that's if you need that. So let's save this. Is it saved? I guess it's already saved already. So let's go back to menu. Let's go back to forms. Oh, I guess we made some mistakes about some things. Oh, the form name. One immediately we clicked on this, the form name changed, which is not supposed to be, but we can also leave it like that, but let's give it testing for the sake of getting to remind ourselves that that's the name of the email. Let's go to our forms back again. So this is basically testing here. Let's click on it. Now you go to setup. When you get to setup, you basically need this link here. So you copy this, then you go back to your HTML form, and let's have our form. Under the form, let's have our action, then let's paste that email here. That means any action you want to perform on all these data should be gotten from that email. Then let's give our space method. We should have our method equals to post. Let's have it equals to post. We don't want to use get. We don't want the details to be showing in the URL. It's weird. So for the submit class, we need to make sure its type is equals to submit, and for the what's it called, for the data, you need to give it a name. Basically, name is just what identifies it. I don't know how to explain that better, but you need to give it a name. If you don't give it a name, then data won't be processed. So let's control save this, and let's control F5 this. Okay, let's cancel that. I guess since we're already debugging, okay, this is basically the form here. So let's reload. Let's reload. Okay, let's have our first name equals to Samuel, and let's have our last name, okay, equals to Udukoya. Yeah, Udukoya. Then let's have our email equals to Samuel Udukoya 14 at gmail .com. That's basically my email. Then let's click on test. Okay. So basically, after testing it, can you see it redirected us to google.com? So basically, let's check the back end of our code to see if this form is actually delivered. So let's go back to our forms. Let's go back to testing. Oh, we're not creating a new form. So you can see we got the details here. Can you see it's even showing us the date created, but you can't give your client access to this to be going. So let's check our Gmail and see the details. So updates, can you see we're having the details here? This is basically the details. Can you see how easy it is? I guess in the next video I'll be teaching you how to upload pictures all for free. And for now you will be using uploadcare.com. With uploadcare, I'll show you how to transfer images alongside this form. So what you'll be getting here is, let's say you want to submit driver's license, the front and the back images. What you'll be getting here is driver license, then you get a link that once you click on it, it opens the image. And you'll be getting a link here that once you click on it too, it opens the second image. So that will save you more time and more bandwidth. So with that, you're just getting a link which is in kilobyte, not a picture which is in megabyte. And that's just basically it, all for free to for yeah. But let me stop here in this video. If you enjoyed something here, a like will be I'm not Mr. Who's the boss, so I don't know what to say. But thank you so much. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, drop that down in the comment section below. So that's just basically it. Peace out and bye for now. Anything else to say? No? Bye for now. Okay. Hi, what's up everyone? Welcome to the part 2 of how to send form data without backend. And in this video, I promised you that I'll be showing you how to share images. And so that's what we are here to do. So we'll be using Upload Care, we'll be using the free tier, and the free tier basically allows us to send unlimited, allows us to store unlimited photos. So for that, I don't want to use my mail to register because of the API keys, and I don't want to keep anything shady or blow some part aspect out. So I'm going to be using a 5 minute mail. Let's search for 5 minutes mail. I need a 5 minute mail. Oh, I look for 5 minutes and I got a 10 minute field. A 10 minutes meal. Isn't God very, very good? So, yeah, God is always good, irrespective of anything. So, this is basically it here. So, let's control see that. So, let's go back here. Let's click on Start Now for free. I pray you shouldn't share. Okay, yeah. Then God declares the data. Oh, fuck shit. So, let's log out. Okay, so let's now start now. I don't know why this thing store cookies damn long. Okay, let me paste the mail here. And let's sign up here. Let's put 8 characters. Let me put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, not only numbers. Okay, let me put Q. Yeah, Q is enough. Hash 1. Let me even save this because I might forget these logins. So let me save that so you guys can be able to copy that. Okay, let's sign up. You guys cannot accept this possible. Okay, oh fuck shit. So let's look for 5 minutes Gmail. Okay, we can't get 5 minute Gmail. I think this is the first time I'll be visiting this email. Let's just see if it's not going to give us a disposable what's it called? Email? Yeah, I guess that's what really matters at the end of the day. I don't know why the verification is taking long. I'm not a criminal, bro. Okay. So I want Gmail Plus. Oh, don't worry, it's fine. If you're gonna do me what I want, then I'm so sorry for giving you ads. So let's refresh this. As I said, it doesn't want ads. Do I have anything that's blocking the ads? Okay. So it give us this disposable mail. Wow, that's amazing. So let's go. So this is the 5 minutes meal. Tọmọdé bá gbọ́gbọ́n kíkún, àgbà á dọ́gbọ́n. Hey, I don't know how they say it, sha, but let's just leave it like that. So now, let's check the characters. It's still the same. I should be able to check my recent saved clipboard histories and see those stuff. This is check. So let's sign up. And so in their mind, they are happy that we're actually using the real Gmail, but meanwhile, we're using a fake one. So let's reload. Nigga shit. So now we've just reloaded. I guess it hasn't dropped yet. Yeah, it has dropped. So email confirmation. Let's close this shit. Yeah, we're already doing that. I don't even know if this thing's still recording, so let me check. So I won't cry. So let's go. Oh, I guess it's still recording. Oh, it's still recording. That's amazing. Let's get back to the what's it called? I guess it's trying to open the Gmail. I don't know why at intervals this thing is opening verification. You're an illegal website, you're still asking for verification just just to see if you are legal. That's bad. So let's click on verify email. Let's try and verify the email. So now we're already approved. We're already in the dashboard. So let's create a new project. Just call me illegal because I'm really really illegal. I did some illegal stuff. I'll get into your into your stuff here. But let's just call it testing. Yeah, because you're basically testing their system. So let's be truthful. An occupation. I'm an engineer. Well, majorly just me. We're not much. I want to store user upload and studies and studies. I'm not, yeah, and optimize image for fast delivery and filter malicious resize. We don't need that. Yeah, it has it. So basically selected all. Let's choose with code, language, HTML, CSS, framework. Framework. Let's just put no framework. We're dealing with no framework here. So let's just click on explore something myself because that's what we're basically doing. We're exploring things with you. Okay, so let's click on new project. The project name should be testing. Let's give it the name testing. Everything about this is just testing. Do you want to allow search engine to index? No, we don't need that. But if you should give them that permission, then just know that your image would have access to and you don't want that. So basically this is here. Let's click on our API keys and these are our public API keys. Anything you want to do with it, you're free. I don't want to keep anything shady here. So let's go to our index.html. Let's close this sheet. So here we're going to be getting our upload API. So we have this here. If you're wondering why is it suggesting I'm using GitHub Copilot, so that's just basically it. And let's have it here that we are getting our API key. No, okay. I don't like stressing myself. Getting upload care API key. Yeah, oh, I don't know why I did this. Okay, let's go back. If you suggest something cool for us, so this it yeah basically the reason why it's showing you error basically is because it did not close the script tab. So while using this thing, you also need to know what you're doing. So let's go back script. So you could be able to detect errors. So it's suggesting to close the last tag of the script or something in this tag. Let's just give it the benefit of doubt. So these are our upload care. And let's go back to the main dashboard. Yes. Do we still need this email? Let's still keep it. Anything can happen. So we won't blame ourselves later on. Okay, let's go back to our VS Code. And inside this public key, let's paste our key there. Done. So we already have our key here. And inside this place here, okay, I love to code my comments. Error new. I just love doing that. So I GitHub Copilot will suggest. I'm the lazy type. Yeah, you can see it suggest. That's why I love it. Okay, data images only. So this is the file here. So let's name this instead of file, let's name it as profile picture. Profile. Let's just name it as I don't know what name to give it, but let's name it as profile. Profile underscore pics. So that's just basically everything about this today. So with this, don't forget our control F5 again to open that in a new tab, blah blah blah. So hey, I can't see my test here. Why is it not showing me test? Let me go back. I guess I made some. Oh, I'm having that after submit, which is not supposed to be. Let's close this one, Jerry. I don't need it again. I don't need it. But it's actually interesting coding. But I'm actually lazy. So let's go back here. Have everything here. Wow, this is actually amazing. Okay, let's open the bracket. Okay, so let's control F. We don't need to control F5. Let's just go back. Okay, let's F5 here to reload it. So basically, we're having this before test, but we're having this tag here. So there's basically an error we made here. Let's go back to fix the error. Yeah, I can sense the error and I can see it. So this basically practically anyhow statically anyhow. Let's just so we fix the error, then let's go back to the document and let's control R. You can also use control R to refresh this. So you already have this. So instead of having test here, I would like to have submit, but we are being truthful because we are testing things out. So let's have our first name Samuel. Let's have our last name. I think Samuel is a little bit shady. Let me act like a Yahoo boy here and let me use Paul Dixon. Yeah, Dixon. Yeah, Dixon sounds well. For those it might be offensive too because I don't know who might be watching. It's actually a name, but let's use Walker. For Walker, you should know him. It's actually a film. So I'm not really that intelligent to suggest a very, very good Yahoo boy name. So let's use Paul Walker. Let's just use Paul Walker at um Fmail. I love that word Fmail. Fastandfuriousmail.com. She used FFmail, but let's leave it as Fmail. Kashi Jumalapo. So once you click on choose picture, can you see this beautiful widget is generating for you? But you can also cancel that to generate this beautiful widget. So basically here you can drag and drop any files here. You can basically get any files from the web. Just paste the link here from Facebook. You can also log into Facebook Drive. That's a lot of amazing functionality. Look at it. It's not having to go here. You can also connect to Flick. But basically, we are doing something simple today. Just choose local file. So let's go to our pictures. Let me go to my pictures. Let me see one picture that is really, really cool. But I'm really, really happy. Oh, I saw a pretty girl. Ah, she fine. Oh, how did they get this picture? Let's post that. So basically, the reason why I love upload care is if it doesn't upload this your file and get the link, it won't actually allow you to submit. Now that it has gotten the link, you just have to click on test. And the amazing thing is that now let's check our backend. So let's go back. Uh, yeah, let's go back. Let's go back. Okay. Let's go to our fob.io. Let's refresh this place. We should still be able to see our forms. Let's go back to testing. Can you see? Can you see this? The images here. But it's not going. You're not still going to give your what should I call it? What should I call it? What should I call it? You're not still going to give your client this pack what's it called? So let's go back here and let's go back here and can you see it here? We have it here. So let's click on this profile pics. Let's click on it and basically look at it. So if you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel will be amazing and thank you for watching this video. Yeah, just subscribe to see more amazing content. Bye and peace out. Yeah, that's what I'll say. Peace out. Yeah, peace out. That's the right word to use. Hi, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the part two of how to create from a worksheet. Hi, what's up, everyone? Welcome to the part two of how to create how to get. I don't even know the title. Welcome to the part two of this